Hello and welcome. In this video, I would like to introduce the practical AI automation solutions we provide at YARB AI. These solutions are designed to help businesses save time, improve customer communication, support sales and marketing, reduce operational costs, and make day-to-day operations easier to manage. AI automation is no longer only for large corporations with big technology budgets. Today, small and medium-sized businesses can also use AI to answer customers faster, manage leads, create content, process documents, automate reporting, and improve many other business processes. Every industry is different. A real estate agency, an e-commerce business, a clinic, a restaurant, or a professional service firm may use the same AI solution in very different ways. That is why we customize these solutions for our clients, design the right workflow around their business process, connect the necessary systems, and provide end-to-end AI automation solutions. In this presentation, I will walk you through 18 core AI automation areas that we can tailor for different industries and business needs. For managing frontline customer interactions, a powerful starting point is an AI chatbot, which handles conversations automatically across your website and messaging channels. A modern AI chatbot uses your specific business knowledge base to understand customer questions in multiple languages and respond in a natural, helpful, and conversational way. Your knowledge base can include your products, services, prices, locations, policies, booking process, frequently asked questions, and any other details your customers need to know. The chatbot can work on your website, and it can also be connected to channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. This allows customers to contact your business through the platforms they already use. One of the biggest benefits is 24/7 availability. Even when your office is closed, customers can still receive instant replies. It can also qualify leads by asking the right questions, collecting contact details, understanding their intent, and saving that information into your CRM, spreadsheet, or another business system. For example, a real estate agency can use an AI chatbot to collect property inquiries and book viewings. An e-commerce business can use it to suggest products. A service company can use it to explain service options and arrange appointments. The chatbot can also connect with your calendar, CRM, and internal tools. It can update records, send confirmation messages, and notify your team when human follow-up is needed. We can also provide a customized dashboard where you can view and filter chat sessions, lead details, customer intent, conversation outcomes, and sentiment data. This helps you understand what customers are asking for, how they feel, and where the best opportunities are. The main benefit is simple. You respond faster, reduce manual workload, improve customer experience, and reduce the risk of missing valuable leads. When it comes to managing phone communication, an AI voice agent brings natural, human-like automation directly to your voice channels. The system can answer inbound calls, speak naturally with customers, provide information, ask questions, and take immediate action, depending on the conversation. Phone calls are still very important for many sectors, especially local services, clinics, restaurants, estate agents, hospitality businesses, and companies that rely on inquiries and bookings. But missed calls can easily become missed opportunities. An AI voice agent can answer calls when your team is busy, outside working hours, or unable to pick up. It can answer common questions, collect customer information, confirm bookings, check availability, or route the conversation to the right next step. It can also be used for outbound calls, such as appointment reminders, follow-ups, satisfaction surveys, booking confirmations, or lead qualification. Because it can connect to your CRM, calendar, price list, or booking system, the voice agent can check relevant information and respond quickly. For example, a restaurant can use it to handle booking inquiries. A clinic can use it to confirm appointments. A real estate business can use it to respond to property inquiries and arrange viewings. A well-designed voice agent should also know when to hand over to a human. If the request is complex, sensitive, or outside the system's confidence level, the call can be transferred or a follow-up can be created for your team. The benefits are fewer missed calls, faster response times, improved customer service, and more efficient use of staff time. If your team is dealing with a high volume of daily customer emails, AI-powered email reply automation can save a significant amount of time. Many inbound messages are simple and highly repetitive, but they still consume valuable staff hours to read, research, and answer manually. AI email automation reads incoming messages, understands the context, refers directly to your company knowledge base, and prepares accurate replies in your preferred tone of voice. This system can work in different ways. For routine inquiries, it can send replies automatically if that is appropriate for your process. However, for many businesses, draft mode is the best starting point. In draft mode, the AI prepares the response and saves it as a draft. A team member can then review it, make any quick changes if needed, and send it. This saves time while keeping human control. The AI can answer questions about your services, prices, availability, processes, or policies. It can also ask for missing information, suggest next steps, or prepare a professional response based on your brand tone. For businesses with heavy email traffic, this can make a significant difference. It can reduce response times, keep communication consistent, reduce errors, and free up your team for more valuable work. Maintaining brand visibility online requires consistent publishing, which is where automated social media content creation and auto-posting systems come in. Most business owners want to keep their public feeds highly active, but manually brainstorming ideas, writing text captions, and designing visual graphics every day is a massive operational time sink. AI automation can simplify this entire pipeline. You can simply enter a basic topic, product feature, company announcement, or campaign concept, and the system instantly generates tailored captions, hashtags, and matching images in your brand style. The workflow can also include an approval step. This means no content needs to be published automatically without review. The system can prepare the content first, and then you or your team can approve it before it goes live. It can publish across different channels depending on your setup, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or other platforms. For example, a restaurant can generate posts about special offers. A real estate agency can showcase new properties. A clinic can publish informative updates. An e-commerce business can promote products and campaigns. The benefit is that your business can maintain a consistent online presence without spending hours every week on manual content creation. To capture immediate buying interest directly from your social feeds, we deploy comments, reply automation for Facebook and Instagram. Whenever you publish promotional organic content or run paid ads, prospective clients will naturally react with questions regarding packaging, pricing, or next steps. If those comments are not answered quickly, engagement can drop and potential sales leads may be lost. AI comments reply. Automation can monitor your posts, understand the customer's comment, consider the context of the original post, and generate a suitable reply in your brand tone. For example, if someone comments, "How much is this?" the system can reply with helpful guidance or invite them to send a message. If someone asks whether a product, service, or property is available, the system can respond or trigger the next step. The workflow can be fully automated, rule-based, AI-generated, or approval-based depending on your preference. It can also trigger follow-up actions. For example, a high-intent comment can create a CRM record, send a direct message, or notify your sales team. The benefits are faster responses, higher engagement, better lead capture, and improved social media performance. To drive long-term organic traffic and build industry authority, we utilize automated blog content generation and auto-posting workflows. While hosting an active informational article library is vital for search engine optimization, researching trends and writing comprehensive pieces consistently is incredibly difficult for busy internal teams. AI can help create blog content based on selected topics, customer questions, trends, or targeted keywords. The system can generate article ideas, write SEO-friendly drafts, create clear headings, suggest internal links to your service pages, and prepare a relevant image. It can also connect to content management systems, such as WordPress. To ensure maximum quality and safeguard your search rankings, our workflow includes a built-in text humanization step. This ensures every article reads completely naturally, retains deep industry accuracy, and matches your specific brand voice, rather than looking like generic or robotic AI content. Your team simply reviews the highly polished piece for final approval before it goes live. For example, an estate agency can publish articles about local property trends. A clinic can share educational content. A restaurant can publish local food or event-related articles. An e-commerce business can create buying guides or product comparison content. The benefits are more consistent content production, reduced writing workload, better website activity, and the potential to attract more organic visitors. For businesses managing a changing inventory, running dynamic ads on Facebook and Google is an incredibly efficient strategy. This system is optimized for e-commerce companies, car dealerships, real estate agencies, or any business that promotes products, vehicles, properties, or listings. The idea is simple. Your ads should reflect what is actually available. If a product is sold out, the ad should not continue promoting it. If a price changes, the ad should be updated. If a new property or vehicle is added, it should be possible to promote it quickly. With dynamic ads automation, your CRM, product feed, listing database, or inventory system can be connected to advertising platforms. The system can update ads based on current availability, price, category, location, or other information. For example, a real estate agency can automatically promote available properties. A car dealership can showcase vehicles currently in stock. An e-commerce business can sync ads with product availability and price changes. The benefits are more relevant ads, fewer manual updates, more efficient campaign management, and reduced wasted effort on outdated promotions. To truly understand customer feedback across multiple digital channels, we deploy automated sentiment analysis systems. Every day, critical user opinions pour into your ecosystem from multiple customer touchpoints, including Google reviews, social media comments, direct messages, surveys, and incoming support emails. The problem is that this feedback is often highly unstructured. Customers may write long paragraphs, mention several issues in one message, or mix positive and negative feedback together. AI sentiment analysis can automatically read this unstructured text and classify it as positive, negative, or neutral. But more importantly, it can identify recurring themes. For example, the system may show that customers are happy with your staff but unhappy with waiting times. Or it may reveal that they like your product quality but are concerned about delivery. Instead of manually reading hundreds of comments, the AI can analyze the data and present useful trends and patterns inside a clear dashboard. You can track changes in customer sentiment over time and identify specific areas that need attention. The benefit is better decision-making. Instead of relying only on assumptions, you can use customer feedback more intelligently. Protecting and managing your public reputation is streamlined through automated Google Reviews reply systems. In the modern business ecosystem, public feedback profiles are the very first thing prospective clients check before choosing a local restaurant, clinic, service provider, or estate agent. Responding to reviews shows that your business is active, professional, and values customer feedback. But replying consistently can take time. AI automation can monitor new Google reviews, analyze the tone, and prepare a suitable response in your brand voice. For positive reviews, it can thank the customer naturally. For negative reviews, it can respond politely, acknowledge the concern, and suggest the right next step. For neutral reviews, it can provide a balanced response. The reply can be sent automatically, or it can be routed to your team for approval before publishing. This solution can also connect with your sentiment analysis dashboard. If multiple reviews mention the same issue, the system can highlight that trend. If customers repeatedly praise a specific service, product, or staff member, that can also be identified. The benefits are stronger online reputation, faster review responses, better customer trust, and more useful feedback insights. On the operations side, image and document processing automation completely transforms how your business extracts value from unstructured files. Many businesses have important operational data trapped inside PDF invoices, scanned contracts, forms, delivery notes, images, and email attachments. Manually opening each file and copying the details into a spreadsheet, CRM, or accounting system is slow, repetitive, and open to human error. AI document processing can extract information from these unstructured files and convert it into structured business data. It can read the text, identify important fields such as names, dates, quantities, amounts, addresses, reference numbers, or line items, and save that data directly into Google Sheets, Excel, a database, a CRM, or a dashboard. This can be useful in many sectors, including accounting, logistics, property management, healthcare, education, e-commerce, and professional services. The benefits are reduced manual data entry, fewer errors, faster processing, and better reporting. In simple terms, it turns raw documents into usable business data. To keep a close eye on market changes without wasting manual hours, we set up automated web scraping and competitor analysis pipelines. This framework allows you to autonomously track data points, like changing supplier matrices, shifting competitor price catalogs, product updates, and active public marketplace listings. Checking this information manually can consume valuable staff time. With automation, selected public data can be collected, structured, analyzed, and presented inside automated reports or dashboards. For example, an e-commerce business may want to monitor competitor pricing. A real estate business may want to track active listings in a specific area. A retailer may want to compare stock availability. A service company may want to monitor public market activity. AI can also process the collected data by summarizing text, classifying listings, detecting changes, and generating useful insights. The workflow can run on a fixed schedule or be triggered when needed. Of course, web data collection should always be done responsibly and with attention to website rules, legal considerations, and data privacy. When used properly, it can provide valuable market intelligence, helping your business make more informed decisions. If your business relies on publishing inventory across multiple digital portals and marketplaces, centralized listing automation is a critical operational asset. This ecosystem is common in e-commerce, automotive retail, real estate, and marketplace-based structures. A single product may need to be listed on a website, marketplace, and social shop. A vehicle may need to appear on several automotive platforms. A property may need to be published across different property portals. Doing this manually for every item is slow and increases the risk of listing errors. Listing automation allows you to create, update, sync, and remove listings across connected platforms from one central location. For example, if an item is sold or no longer available, the system can mark it unavailable across connected platforms. If a price changes or new images are added, the update can be pushed automatically. The system can work with APIs, feeds, spreadsheets, CRMs, or platform integrations depending on your business setup. For businesses managing high volumes of products, vehicles, or properties, this saves operational time, reduces manual work, and helps keep listings accurate and up to date. Scaling your visual product presentation becomes completely seamless with image editing automation. Processing large numbers of images is a common requirement in e-commerce, real estate, automotive, hospitality, product catalogs, and digital marketing. Images may need background removal, background replacement, resizing, cropping, optimization, watermarking, or format conversion. Handling images one by one in editing software can take a long time. Processing hundreds or thousands of photos manually can quickly become a major workload. With image editing automation, the workflow can be much faster. For example, you can upload raw product photos into a designated cloud folder, and the system can remove backgrounds, apply consistent brand environments like your logo, resize the images, optimize file sizes, and save the final versions into an output folder. It can also prepare images for websites, ads, catalogs, listings, or social media platforms. The benefits are time savings, lower editing costs, visual consistency, and more scalable content production. For a highly practical and cost-effective approach to generating regular content, we deploy automated video slideshow creation. This is distinct from fully concept-generated AI video. Here, the system dynamically pairs your existing images, descriptions, and text data to create simple but effective slideshow videos. For example, a real estate agency can turn property photos into a short promotional video with text overlays, transitions, and background music. A car dealer can generate vehicle showcase videos. An e-commerce business can create product videos from images and descriptions. Instead of hiring an editor for every simple video, the automation can build these videos directly from your asset folders, spreadsheets, or product data. The final files can be prepared for your website, social media, ads, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or other platforms. The benefits are faster production, lower cost, consistent output, and the ability to scale visual promotions without advanced editing skills. For high-impact, conceptual marketing campaigns, we leverage advanced script-based AI video generation. This specialized creative workflow combines intelligent text formatting with AI-generated visuals, scenes, and contextual storytelling to construct bespoke branded videos for promotions. AI video generation can be used in two main ways. The first approach is custom-directed. We design a campaign concept, write the script, generate visuals, create scenes, and produce a branded promotional video. The second approach is workflow-based. If your business needs similar styles of videos regularly, we can design an automation where your team enters specific variables, such as a product name, seasonal offer, target audience, or key message, and the system generates video content in a defined format. This can be useful for ads, promotional videos, explainer videos, product videos, educational content, and social media campaigns. The benefit is not only reducing production effort, it also allows your business to test more creative ideas, create more variations, and produce visual content more regularly. Used well, AI video can support brand differentiation and marketing performance. To minimize daily administrative overhead, we engineer custom AI super assistants that go far beyond simply answering questions. These highly integrated software agents are designed to execute complex, multi-step operations completely on autopilot across your primary business channels. They can connect directly with your email, calendar, cloud documents, spreadsheets, CRM, and other software infrastructure under clear permission rules. For example, you might ask an assistant to review incoming support emails, summarize the main issues, check your calendar availability, and prepare draft replies for your review. It can also help with research, reminders, follow-ups, document summaries, meeting preparation, reporting, and coordination across different tools. The important point is that this type of assistant should be designed carefully. You decide what it can access, what it can do automatically, and where human approval is required. For business owners, managers, and busy teams, the main benefit is reducing mental load and routine administrative work so people can focus on higher value tasks. To turn fragmented operational numbers into a unified source of truth, we implement AI-based performance reporting architectures. While most growing enterprises collect a massive volume of data, it typically sits completely isolated across separate software applications, messaging platforms, and independent spreadsheets. AI-based reporting connects to these different data sources, and brings the information into one clear visual dashboard. This can include charts, filters, performance indicators, channel comparisons, lead outcomes, customer behavior, sales performance, campaign results, and operational metrics. AI can also help interpret the data. Instead of only showing static numbers, it can highlight trends, risks, opportunities, or unusual changes. For example, it can show which marketing channels bring the strongest leads, where conversion rates are dropping, which services receive the most inquiries, or where customer complaints are increasing. This gives business owners and managers better visibility, helping them track performance more easily and make faster, more confident decisions.
While our core template workflows solve the most common bottlenecks, we also engineer entirely custom AI solutions for bespoke operational requirements. The solution templates we have explored today cover many common operational needs, but every company operates with its own distinct workflows, communication tools, and internal logic. Sometimes a business has a specific process that cannot be solved properly with a standard tool. That is where custom AI automation becomes important. A custom AI solution may combine several automations together. It may connect different departments, software tools, documents, communication channels, and approval steps. For example, a business may receive inquiries from different channels, collect documents, check information, prepare a quote, get approval, send messages, and update a CRM. If this process is repetitive, parts of it can often be automated.
To design a custom solution, we first understand your current process. We look at which tools are used, where time is lost, where errors happen, and which parts require human judgment. Then we design a tailored, scalable AI workflow that fits your business. The aim is not to force a generic system onto your company. The aim is to build something that creates real value for your specific operation. Custom AI solutions can improve efficiency, reduce errors, support growth, and give your business a stronger competitive position.
So, these are the 18 main AI automation solution areas we provide at YARB AI. We have covered AI chatbots, voice agents, email automation, social media workflows, blog automation, dynamic ads, sentiment analysis, Google review replies, document processing, web scraping, listing automation, image editing, video automation, AI assistants, reporting dashboards, and custom AI systems. But the most important point is this: your business does not need to implement all of these solutions at once. The right approach is to look at your current operations and identify the biggest bottleneck. For some businesses, the best starting point may be a website chatbot. For others, it may be an email reply system, document processing, reporting dashboards, voice agents, or content automation. Our role is to help you choose the right starting point, design the workflow around your business, customize the solution, connect your systems, and provide an end-to-end AI automation system.
If you would like to explore how AI automation could work inside your business, contact us for an initial discussion. We can review your processes and suggest practical automation ideas based on your industry, your goals, and your existing systems. Thank you for watching. You can visit us at yarbai.com or contact us at info@yarbai.com.